Can you imagine a world where every LED light that we use in our homes can be used as an internet access point? Yes, this is possible using a technology called Li-Fi technology. Greetings to all. I am Anukriti Agarwal from BTech Final Year Computer Science Department. Today, I'll provide you with some background about Li-Fi and how it can be used in the present era. Let's start with the agenda. Points I'll be covering today are: what is Li-Fi, introduction, history, present scenario, issues of using radio spectrum, who can resolve this issue, principle of Li-Fi, why Li-Fi uses VLC, Li-Fi versus Wi-Fi, applications of Li-Fi, and finally conclusion. What is Li-Fi? Li-Fi is light-based Wi-Fi technology. As we all know, the Wi-Fi is fully networked bidirectional wireless communication technology where data is transmitted using radio waves, while in case of Li-Fi technology, light is used instead of radio waves to transmit information. In Li-Fi technology, transmitter-fitted LED lamps acts like Wi-Fi modems. LED lamps can light a room as well as transmit and receive information. Before proceeding further, let's see how it all started. That is, history of Li-Fi. Li-Fi was discovered by Professor Harold Haas in UK. On 20th July 2011, he used a table lamp with an LED bulb to transmit a video of blooming flowers that was then projected on a screen behind him. During the event, he periodically blocked the light from the lamp to prove that the lamp was indeed the source of incoming data. In present scenario, we have 1.4 million base stations and 5 billion mobile stations. Radio spectrum is congested, but the demand for wireless data doubles each day. Data in the form of terabytes travel every week or month. Everyone want to use wireless data, but the capacity is drying up, resulting in different issues. So, what can carry this excess demand in future? And the answer is Li-Fi technology. Before proceeding with the detailed explanation of Li-Fi, let's discuss issues of using radio spectrum. Mainly, there are four issues: capacity, availability, efficiency, and security. Capacity. Radio spectrum is very limited. However, Li-Fi technology spectrum is 10,000 times greater than that of radio frequency. Availability. Availability of radio waves is not available at all times and at all places. However, in Li-Fi technology, LED bulbs are easily available at all places. Efficiency. Radio spectrum is less efficient because of above reasons. Security. As Wi-Fi uses electromagnetic waves, so signal can pass through walls and hackers can hack your system, which is not at all safe and is not the case with Li-Fi. Who can resolve this issue? And the answer is Li-Fi technology. Next, principle of Li-Fi. If you provide constant current to these LED bulbs, it provides the constant illumination or constant brightness. So, as we change the current that is flowing through this LED bulb, the illumination or brightness of the bulb will change. So, this principle is used for transmitting the data wirelessly using this Li-Fi technology. If no current or minimum current is flowing through this LED bulb, then the brightness of this LED source will be minimum and that will be treated as digital zero. And this digital zero will be transmitted at the receiver side. Similarly, when light bulb is on, or we can say that if maximum amount of current is flowing through the LED bulb, then illumination or brightness of LED bulb will be maximum, and that will be treated as digital 1. So, whenever the LED is on, digital 1 will be transmitted at the receiver side. In this way, by flickering the LED light source very rapidly, we can transmit the data in the form of ones and zeros to the receiver. As I mentioned earlier, this technology runs on the visible light, which requires three main components: the LED lamp to transmit the signal, photodetector to receive the signal which is sent by the LED bulb, and the signal processing unit. Let's have a look on the working in detail. The first step is that data is fed into an LED light bulb through internet or local network, and this data is sent to photodiode, which converts this received signal to electrical signal. But these electrical signals can't be read directly by our devices, so to convert received data into streamable content, we use signal processing element which convert these electrical signals into a binary data stream that user would recognize as web video and audio application that run on internet enabled devices. Why Li-Fi use visible light communication? In electromagnetic spectrum, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays are harmful for the human body. Infrared rays are also dangerous due to eye safety regulation and can be used with low power. Radio waves are expensive and less secure. Therefore, only visible rays or visible light spectrum is left, which is not harmful for humans. Thus, Li-Fi uses visible light communication. Li-Fi and Wi-Fi are quite similar as both transmit data electromagnetically. However, there are some differences in Wi-Fi and Li-Fi. First, range. The range of Wi-Fi is 100 meters and that of Li-Fi is based on LED. Cost. Li-Fi is transmitted through LED bulbs, which is quite cheap as compared to a standard Wi-Fi router. Security. As Wi-Fi uses electromagnetic waves, so signal can pass through walls and hackers can hack your system, which is not at all safe. Li-Fi, on the other hand, uses light. It does not pass through walls, thus eliminating all the chances of intrusion. Data transfer rate in Wi-Fi is within Mbps and in Li-Fi is greater than Gbps. Medium through which data transfer. Wi-Fi uses radio waves whereas Li-Fi uses visible light waves. Spectrum range. Radio spectrum range is less than visible light spectrum in Wi-Fi, and visible light spectrum is 10,000 times broader than radio spectrum range in Li-Fi. Now, moving towards the applications of Li-Fi. First, traffic scenario. Li-Fi can be used to communicate during dense traffic for emergency vehicles like ambulance and firefighting trucks. Use of Li-Fi technology might prevent accidents by exchanging information when the vehicles are too close. Li-Fi in home and small offices. In these places, Li-Fi can be used to communicate with these devices such as laptops, internet access, HD video streaming, and printer. Li-Fi technology can also be used in street lamps and ocean beds. There are millions of lamps deployed around the world. Each of these street lamps could be a free access point. Li-Fi can even work underwater where Wi-Fi fails. Communication between naval becomes easy. Now, to conclude with, I would like to say, as light is everywhere and free to use, there is a great scope for the use and evolution of Li-Fi technology. If this technology matures, each Li-Fi bulb can be used to transmit data. As the Li-Fi technology becomes popular, it will lead to a cleaner, greener, economical, and safer communication system. Thank you.